Hi guys, my name's Liam, this is my wife Georgia, and we are packing for places. Hi guys, and welcome to Jakarta, Indonesia. Now in this video we're going to be showing you what quarantine actually looks like in Southeast Asia, and at the end we're going to be giving you our top 5 tips of what you need to know before you have to do it. Hope you enjoy this video. So just landed in Indonesia, Jakarta, capital city. I've been in the airport for nearly 3 hours. Immigration, PCR test, checking all your documents. And now, we're sitting here. We've got to wait for our PCR results, and then we're going into quarantine for 7 days. Just arrived in our room. It is 10 to 3 in the morning. First impressions of the room. Don't think it's too bad actually. Let me show you. Got 2 single beds pushed together.
I mean, it's much to be desired, but it's a bed, so what can you do?
Well, I think it'll be alright. We haven't got a fridge, which I was a bit gutted about. Georgia is very tired. We did get supplies. 2 big bars of chocolate, some Pringles, and some biscuits for Georgia to have a cup of tea in the morning. We got some tea bags, because I know that tea bags aren't going to be great, and I brought some coffee. And as long as we've got some sugar, should be alright. So we are going to get some sleep. Let it begin. Tomorrow is our first day. What the? It's actually getting louder. Quarter to 4 in the morning. And we can just hear this, ya. Better not go all night. Loads of lights going off, like there's some massive speaker or something. Fucking hell. Morning, guys. Last night was fucking strange. The prayer calling just kept us up. Oh, it was devastating. Found the culprit of the noise. Well, we can't call it noise. It's their prayer, so we can't be disrespectful. We are in their country. But there it is. It's got like speakers coming from it. But we got ourselves a move. We are now moving rooms. Fingers crossed it's better. Like for me, this quarantine is definitely going to be the hardest. I think Georgia will be alright. I think Georgia will struggle being with me. I will struggle not being able to get out. Morning guys, so this morning I'm going to give yoga a try. Take those arms loose, baby. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4, 28. I've got 5 nights, so 5 divided by 28 is 5.6. So if we say 5, and then on the last night I'll probably get a couple of extra bits. So 5 bits a night I'm allowed.
You're such a loser.
I know, but chocolate is everything. And when you can't just nip to the shop because you're not allowed out your room, this is the most important thing in this room. Look at George's bit of anorexic chicken. There ain't a lot of meat on that, a bit like you. I just don't know about this food, man. Maybe we shouldn't have picked the cheapest hotel we could have found. 3-star in Indonesia. Food ain't great. We got like wedges that are cold, I think that's like scrambled egg. Looks like ketchup, but it's well hot sauce. It looks like that chicken's still clucking. Well, no, I don't even know what that is. Right, we've started the puzzle. We've got a 1,500 piece puzzle and we've done an hour and it's intense. Georgia thinks that I've missed some bits out because she's obviously started the edges first, but I think she's missed some.
Definitely, yeah.
Just set up the room for our yoga and workout and Georgia is flaking already. Babe, get up. We're doing yoga. So bad, so lazy. Come, babe. We got this. And next up is we're going to learn how to play chess, aren't we?
We are.
I played my nephew, who's 7 years old, and he smashed me at it. So if a 7-year-old can learn how to play, then we can. I've got her.
It's so competitive.
I'm coming to get ya. 1-0 to Liam. Oh no!
What was that? Checkmate?
Oh, I should never have picked it up.
She's not just a pretty face.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, I am now proud to present. She's travelled the world. She's played in the biggest venues. Her name is Magician Georgia Worsdale. Whoa! Yeah!
You can hold it.
It is a normal key, everyone.
Flat on my hand.
Okay.
My hand flat.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to make it move without moving my hand.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's actually spinning around! It's actually spinning around! Oh, that's amazing! Oh my god, she really has travelled all around the world. I'm impressed, babe. We're packing up, baby! Woohoo! So, breakfast this morning, they thought they'd mix it up. A bit of bread, a cold sausage that's never seen a sausage in its life, some cold chips, some egg and some hot sauce. How is that a breakfast? God's sake, get us out of here. Morning guys, today is the day we are getting out of here. Can't actually believe it. Babe, how are you feeling? This is one happy lady, I tell you.
Get me out of here.
Let the adventure begin. So guys, our time has finally come to an end. 7 days in quarantine. It's been hard work, hasn't it?
Very.
But we've done it. And now we look forward to going on travel in Indonesia. So here's our top 5. Number 1.
Pack some activities to keep your mind active. We recommend puzzles, a pack of cards, or some travel games if you can fit them in your
Chess.
luggage. Yep. Chess was very
Chess
good.
was really good.
Wasn't it?
So definitely recommend bring some activities with you because it'll keep you going. Number 2.
Spend a bit more money and book either a 4 or 5-star hotel.
Definitely do not book a 3-star hotel.
Do your research and read the reviews.
Because you'll get better food as well. The food will be better. The cleanliness will be better. It's all right in here, but when you're in here for 7 days, you do notice that it's pretty dirty.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
do your research because we didn't. We just went for the cheapest and we wouldn't recommend it. Number 3.
Pack some luxury items if they fit in your bag. We brought tea, coffee and some crisps and some chocolate and it's honestly been a lifesaver.
You've got to, even if it don't fit in your bag, just bring extra bags.
Nice.
It's just nice to have some luxuries because you're not going to get them at your hotel. Number 4.
So get up at a decent time and stay active. We recommend just doing maybe 15-minute workout and 15 minutes of yoga.
I've been doing yoga now 4 or 5 days and it's good, just stretches you out, a little bit of fitness, even if you don't normally do it.
Yeah, don't spend all day in bed.
Otherwise you'll get proper cabin fever
Yeah.
and you'll just be lazy, you'll get grumpy, whereas we was actually quite energetic, weren't we, and quite happy, so definitely keep active. Number 5.
So Indonesia is a predominantly Muslim country, which means all the local mosques will have the prayer callings up to 5 times a day, and they can be quite loud.
They're proper loud.
So make sure you do your research and see where your hotel is based and if there are any local mosques nearby.
100%. There's one at 3 o'clock in the morning. It goes on for an hour.
Yeah.
As you say, you can see it in the video. It was terrible. So yeah, luckily we got to move rooms, but you might not be as lucky. So definitely do your research. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for coming along on our quarantine journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you've had any terrible experiences in quarantine. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you in the next one.